Hey guys, you're joining another episode of Mukbang with your host, Dongdigity. So today I'm gonna have a Korean soup called 육개장. So it's a spicy beef stew. There's some egg in there and has green onion and a lot of good vegetable, bean sprout, and it looks spicy, right? And vermicelli noodles, I believe they're in there too, yeah. Some mushrooms. Ooh. And I tend to like to mix my rice in the soup. Some people like to eat it separately, right? But I like to mix it. So this is another really like traditional Korean food that you could get, and they normally come in this big bowl. I don't know why they do that, but always when I order, they give it to me in one of these big ones. Yes. So this is known to be like a health food, like well-being food, and you normally eat it during summer. A lot of Koreans used to eat this only in summer so that they will recharge their body. And I guess this soup was invented in the middle of 19th century, but obviously it wasn't called this and it was always different, but this is like the hybrid version. Oh, I was visiting our local Korean grocery store that we normally go to, and then decided to check out the food court, and I'm like, I'm having this. It looks really spicy, but it's not that spicy. It's less spicy actually compared to even ramen. Ramen's more spicy than this. So I went to like a bachelor party over the weekend. Oh, by the way, hope everyone had a great weekend. It wasn't one of those like hardcore one. It was for my old childhood friend that we went to church together. We decided to go to this VR cool like new high-tech game place where I guess you wear Oculus Rift, and then you wear this like piece computer, and you walk around and you're in this different setting and you shoot people. So we got there, and well, everyone's setting up. I was excited. Actually, we have to listen to like 15-minute thing, sign up and everything, and finally ready. We go. Everyone has their headset, everything turned on. They have their gun, blah blah blah, and they turn on. I was the last one. I was taking a picture, and I was like, okay, I'm the last one. Put mine on. All I see is just black screen. I'm like, oh, I guess this is how it works. And I was just waiting there. And you wear also like headphone and VR screen. Obviously, you can't see anything, but I only see this black screen. I'm like, oh, I guess they're just starting and waiting until it start. And for a while, I was just standing at this one spot looking at this dark screen. And I don't know how long it has passed, and one of the employer take off my earpiece and then headset, and I was like, oh, what happened? Oh, we're having technical difficulties, so we'll just give your money back. And I'm like, oh no, that sucks, like it's not working. So I was just standing there for like that long time with everyone, and then I noticed that everyone seems like, whoa, that was fun, like that was crazy, but oh, it sucks. And I was like, what are you guys talking about? I guess they had everything working fine. Only mine was a black screen, and I didn't even get to touch the gun. And they were like shooting each other inside the VR world and shooting and having fun, at least one round, I guess. And I was just staring at this darkness by myself. I'm like, well, at least it was just me, you know? I didn't even get to touch the gun. But they said they'll give us 50% off for our next one. So I'll have fun then. So we were a bit bummed, but not too sad, you know? And then when the groom said, hey, I have a laser gun. Do you guys want to shoot laser gun? And it was like, I was just first thinking that, oh, we want to go to like laser tag or something. To make up for that space that we missed, but he was like, no, I actually have like a laser gun where it connects to your phone. So crazy. It's crazy like technology. Because when we were young, like I had like laser gun thing, but then you have to wear this thing on your chest. It was never accurate, but I thought that was cool. But this one, you get to, it's so high tech. Like there's GPS, you get to see the map of where everyone's at, and so many modes, capture the flag, like. So we decided to do that. I know it's a bit like childish, but I had like so much fun. And we were saying, hey, where should we go to play this? And only that we thought about was church, like our old church where I attended when I was a child and where I met all these guys. We went to this huge field that we have at our church, and we decided to play with the little laser gun. Man, those brought so much memories, because when we were young, we used to play at that same field, running around and stuff, but now like at least 3 from those group, or 2 of them got married and one's getting married, right? So it's like, wow, time has been moving too fast. I guess it was nostalgic way to enjoy our bachelor party. And while we're playing in the field, I guess like one of the church member that attends there was having a meeting or something, and then he came to say hi to us, and he remembered me. He's like, "Oh, I know you don't go here anymore, but wow, like, what are you doing here?" You know, I'm like, "Oh no, just here to play some laser tag." And he looks at me and come close to me, and he's like, "Wow, you got old." Yeah, I mean, it's been like 10 years or longer. So yeah, I mean, the whole bachelor thing, I was so obnoxious. Because it's always good to see your friends, right? So are you guys fan of 깍두기, which is the reddish one, or kimchi? It's really hard to decide actually. When I'm eating non-soup, I'll prefer kimchi, but if I'm eating with soup, both of these are so good. I don't think I ever had both together when I'm eating a meal. I think I could go without rice or even Korean food for like a month, but I don't think I could ever give up kimchi. It's so freaking good. Although it might be a weird combination if I eat kimchi with pizza or something, right? Another random thing that if I may add, it's a good news, I guess. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but North Korea and South Korea, there always has been going that tension and stuff, you know. But yeah, if you get a chance, check out the whole North Korean president and South Korean president meeting to talk about denuclearization or nuclear weapon program, get rid of that. It's a good news. I like watching good news. Yeah, makes you feel good, right? Or maybe some of you don't care, but it was a historic moment. I loved it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Hope you guys have a great day. And please click subscribe and give me thumbs up.